In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the translate function in Excel. To get started, open your workbook and go to the Language tab at the bottom of the sheet. This is the worksheet where the translation example is set up. Once you're there, you'll see a table with text in Filipino and a corresponding English section. This makes it a great place to practice because you can clearly see how the function works and how Excel handles language conversion inside a formula. Now we're going to use the translate function to convert text from one language into another. The goal here is to translate the existing Filipino text into English automatically instead of typing each translation manually. This can save a lot of time, especially when you're working with repeated phrases, lists, or larger data sets. Click into cell B5 and begin typing equals translate, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, select the cell that contains the text in the other language, which in this case is the Filipino text you want Excel to translate. This first part tells Excel exactly which text needs to be converted. Next, you need to define the source language, or the language the current text is written in. In this example, that source language is Filipino. As you enter the formula, make sure the language is specified correctly so Excel knows what it is translating from. If the source language is wrong, the result may not be accurate, so it's worth double-checking this part before moving on. After that, enter the target language, which is the language you want the text translated into. In this example, the target language is English. This tells Excel what language to return in the result. Once both languages are included in the formula, your full function will be ready to process the translation. Press Enter and Excel will generate the translated result in that cell. If everything was entered correctly, you should now see the English version of the original Filipino text. This is a quick and efficient way to create translations directly in your spreadsheet without leaving Excel. To apply the same formula to the rest of the rows, drag the fill handle down from the corner of the cell. Excel will copy the formula downward and automatically translate the remaining entries based on the referenced cells. This is especially useful when you have multiple words or phrases to convert and want a consistent method across the entire table. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.